Now, these are very, very good questions. From here, very, very good questions we are going to discuss. Consider the sequence. 2, 7, 14, 23, 34. Find the 20th term of the above series. First concept. Now see here. First you understand the concept, then you can solve these problems orally. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. This is an arithmetic progression series. This is an arithmetic progression series. Am I right? These difference is nothing but 3. These difference is nothing but 3. Difference is 3. So Tn is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. This is something which you all know it. A plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. So there are n terms are there, the gaps will be n minus 1. Another way which I am trying to tell you is, suppose these Tn is nothing but only take the leftmost terms. These 1 into these first term, so first term is already given, 1 into n minus 1 c0. Here take the first, these nothing but n minus 1 c1. Can I write like this? 1 into n minus 1 c0 plus 3 into n minus 1 c1. I hope the idea it is clear. Listen carefully, sir. You will understand when the difference between the terms is constant in 2 steps, 3 steps. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. Listen carefully. First I will tell you a traditional method, method 1. Then I will tell you method 2, method 1. Listen carefully, sir. While solving it will be very easy for you. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. These difference is 2. Difference is 3. Difference is 4. Difference is 5. Difference is 6. These difference is 1. 1. These 1 and it is 1. Difference is constant in how many steps? 2 steps it is constant. It is the first step. It is the second step. First write down this point. If the difference between the terms, is constant in n steps, if it is in constant in n steps, suppose if it is n equivalent to 2, if it is constant it is in 2 steps, then nth term will be a quadratic expression, an square plus bn plus c. If it is constant in 3 steps, so tn will be an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d. Very, very important key point. If the difference between the terms is constant in n steps, then nth term will be of power of polynomial of degree n. Here the difference is constant in 2 steps. So nth term will be an square plus bn plus c. Right? If it is constant in 3 steps, then it will be an cube, sir, not square, an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d. This point is clear, right? Then we will get into method 2, how to write the answer directly. Now listen carefully. The question is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. 1, 3, 6, 15, 21. These are nothing but difference is constant in 2 steps, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1. Difference is constant in 2 steps. So Tn is an square plus bn plus c. If I find the values of a, b and c, I will get the answer. If n is 1, these a plus b plus c. These are nothing but 1. If n is 2, these are nothing but 4a plus 2b plus c. N is 2, it is nothing but 3. If n is 3, these are nothing but 9a plus 3b plus c. N is third term, it is nothing but 6. So here, if I subtract 4a minus a, 3a, 2b minus b, 9a minus 4a, 5a, 3b minus 2b, 1 and 3, it is 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 3, it is 3. Then 5a minus 3a, it is 2. 3 and 2, it is nothing but 1. That means this will become, if I equate this with this, I will tell you how you can write it orally in a single step. So 2a is equivalent to 1. Again 3a plus b is equivalent to 2. A plus b plus c, it is nothing but 1. A plus b plus c, it is nothing but 1. 3a plus b, it is nothing but 2. 2a equivalent to 1. So a is nothing but 1 by 2. 3 by 2 plus b, b is 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. C is nothing but 0. So Tn, it is nothing but half n square plus half n. Tn is nothing but half n square plus half n, which is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. I hope this key point is clear to you. If the difference between the terms is constant in 2 steps, nth term will be a quadratic expression. If n difference is constant in 3 steps, then it is nothing but a cubic expression. How to write down the answer directly, that also we will see. Now if you see, these entire right hand side, it is always the same. 2a is nothing but 1. So what you do is directly how to write down the answer. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. Listen carefully. These 2. Here it is 3. Here 4. Here 5. These 6. And it is 7. These nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Only concentrate on the leftmost values. If I concentrate on the leftmost values, these are nothing but 2a. These are nothing but 3a plus b. Please go back and see the proof. You will understand why 1 is a plus b plus c. Why 3a plus b. So 2a, it is 1. So a value, it is 1 by 2. B value, it is 1 by 2. C value 0. So Tn is half n square plus half n. I hope the idea it is clear. How to write down the nth term by using capital A, capital B, capital C. Suppose if it is 1 comma, suppose if I take for example 1 comma 8 comma 24 comma 35. Find the 12th term. How to get the answer directly? These 6, these 16, these nothing but, for example 25, 49 we will take, 45, these 25, these nothing but 9, these nothing but 9. So what will be the value of A, B and C? Only take the leftmost values. This is 2A, these nothing but 3A plus B, these nothing but A plus B plus C. All the values you will get it. So A is nothing but 9 by 2. So 3 into 9 by 2 plus B equivalent to 7. You will get the value of B. A plus B plus C, it is 1. From there you will get the value of C. I hope it is clear how you will get the values. Now is there any other way that you can do it? There is also another way. Now see here. How to write down the answer very easily. Anil Nair's way. Let us see. Suppose this question see 2, 7, 14, 23, 34 and so on. How to write down the answer? These are nothing but 5. These are nothing but 7. These are nothing but 9. These are nothing but 11. Till here clear, right? These are nothing but 2. Here it is 2. Here it is 2. Only concentrate on the leftmost terms. Tn is a plus, a is the first term, 2 plus. So 5 into n minus 1 c1. Are you all with me? If it is only in the first step, if it is constant, a plus n minus 1 into d plus 2 into n minus 1 c2. N minus 1 C2. Let us see whether we are getting the answer. If I take n equivalent to 2, T2, it is nothing but 2 plus 5 into 5 into, these is nothing but 5 into, so what it will be, 2 minus 1, 1 C1, okay. Next one, plus 2 into 2 minus 1, 1 C2. Out of 2 items, selecting 1. These of no use. So 2 plus 5, it is nothing but 7. Are you all with me? Suppose if it is T3, these are nothing but 2 plus 5 into 3 minus 1, 2 C1. Okay. Next one, plus 2 into 3 minus 1, 2C2. 2C2, it is nothing but out of 2 selecting 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 10, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Any value you will get it very, very easily. How to write down this one? Suppose see here. Tn, lowest term is 2. In the first step, if the difference is constant, it will be a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus 5 into n minus 1 c1 in the first step. If in the first step, if you are not going it, again the difference is constant 2 into. In how many steps? 2 steps. Do n minus 1 c2. I hope the idea it is clear. Directly you will get the answer. Suppose if it is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21 and so on. These are nothing but 2. Here it is 3. These 4, these 5 and it is 6. Here it will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, how to write down the answer? Let us see. First thing, Tn is nothing but a plus. In the first step, if it is a constant, n minus 1 into d. n minus 1 is n minus 1 c1. But in the second step, it is constant, n minus 1 c2. n minus 1 c2. Nth term is given by this logic. Let us see. T3. T3 is 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 1, 2 c1. 3 minus 1, 2 c2. 2C2. 1 plus 2, 2s are 4. 2C2, it is nothing but 1. 1 plus 4 plus 1, it is nothing but 6. I hope the idea it is clear. So if I want the 20th term, what will be the answer? 1 plus 2 into 20 minus 1, it is 19C1. 20 minus 1, it is 19C2. 19C2. Go by the answer option. 19C1, these are divisible by 19, these are divisible by 19. Answer when divided by 19, it should give a remainder 1. Or otherwise 1 plus 38 plus 19 into 18 by 2. 19 nines are 171 plus 39. 171 plus 39, it is nothing but 210. I hope the idea it is clear. Any question, just without finding the values of capital A, capital B, capital C, you will get the answer. Now, let us solve this question. It is nothing but 2, 7, 14, 23 and 34. Easy question it is. These are nothing but 5. Here it is nothing but 7. Here it is 9. Here it is 11. These are nothing but 2. Here it is 2 and here it is 2. Only focus on the difference between the terms. So Tn is a plus. Next one, n minus 1 into d. n minus 1 c1 into 5. Difference is constant in second step. So 2 into n minus 1 c2. n minus 1 c2. These what? You can cross check by taking an example. Let me take n equivalent to 2. So T2 equivalent to 2 plus 2 minus 1, 1 C1. 1 C1 is 1. 1 into 5, 5 plus 2 minus 1. Out of 2 selecting any one. It is not possible. 2 plus 5, it is 7. 20th term I require. These nothing but 2 plus 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 C1 into 5. 2 into 20 minus 1 is 19, 19 C2. This is the 20th term direct value. I hope the idea it is crystal clear to you. Idea it is clear. Even that means what we are doing is A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. These are nothing but D. These are nothing but D. So Tn is nothing but lowest value is A. difference is constant in one step. If there are n terms are there, n minus 1 gaps will be there. In n minus 1 gap, in the first step itself, the gap is coming out to be same. So a plus n minus 1 into c1 into d. Sir, can we use the sum of n terms? That also we will use. Sum of n terms is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This can be written as nc1 into a. D is nothing but nc2 into d. nc2 into d. What is the importance of this? Now see here. This is the beauty of mathematics. 2, 7, 14, 23 and 34. Listen carefully. These are nothing but 5. These the difference is nothing but 5. These the difference is 7. These the difference is 9. These the difference is 11. Here it is 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. So Sn is nothing but nc1 into 2. Are you with me? Next one, nc2 into 5. Again the gap, it is nc3 into 2. This is the sum of n terms. You can check it out whether you are getting or not. Suppose sum of two terms. Sum of two terms is 2 plus 7. It is nothing but 9. So it is nothing but 2 into 2c1 plus 5 into 2c2. Are you with me? So 2c3 it is not possible. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5 9. Sum of two terms it is nothing but 9. Sum of n terms also can be determined if you understand the concept. This is the power of listening to Anil Nair's special CAT workshops. I will not only tell you the formulae, I will tell you the proof behind the formulae. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose if the question is like this: 2, 7, 14, 23, 34. Sum of first 20 terms. These 5. These 7 and it is 9 and it is 11. These 2 and it is 2. So sum of n terms is nothing but nc1 into 2 plus nc2 into 5 plus nc3 into 2. Finish. Only leftmost terms you need to take care. See, derived from the concept n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 by 2. Sum of 20 terms. 20c1 into 2. 20c2 into 5. 20c3 into 2. Calculate it and whatever the answer that you get it, that itself is the answer. No, don't do sum of n terms as summation Tn. It's a waste of time for you. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful way of solving the question. Next one, sir, what if it is 3 values, 4 values? Any number you can do it. Minus 1, minus 3, 3, 23, 63 and 129. These are nothing but minus 3 plus 1. It is minus 2. These are nothing but 6. These are nothing but 20. These are nothing but 40. These are nothing but 66. These are nothing but 8. These are nothing but 14. Here it is 20. Here it is 26. Here it is 6. Here it is 6. Here it is 6. First step, second step and third step. So Tn is nothing but a plus minus 1 plus n minus 1 c1 into minus 2. I hope it is clear. Plus n minus 1 c2 into 8 plus n minus 1 c3 into 6. Which term we require? T10 we require. So it is minus 1 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9c1 into minus 2. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9c2 into 8. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9c3 into 6. Idea clear, right? 9c2, it is nothing but divisible by 3. Divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 3. Answer should be of the form 3 into something minus 1. 3 into something minus 1. Think logically. If I have to do A, B, C, D, If I have to do A, B, C, D, how many steps I have to do? 1, 2, 3. What will be the nth term? AN cube plus BN square plus CN plus D. Finding out A, B, C, D is an extreme cumbersome process. And after getting a TN, SN is summation TN. That will be much more difficult for you. I hope the idea it is clear. Find the sum of 10 terms of the above series. 10 terms or 20 terms, any number of terms, if the difference is constant, you can do it. Minus 1, minus 3, 3, 23, 63, 129. See here, these are nothing but minus 2, these 6, these 20, these 40, these 66, these 8, these 14, it is 20, and it is 26. These 6, 6, 6. Now see here. How to do it? Sn is nothing but Sn is NC1 into A. So NC1 into only the first terms, our entire idea. NC1 into minus 1 plus NC2 into minus 2 plus NC3 into 8 plus NC4 into 6. Finish. Direct single step. So sum of 10 terms is nothing but 10C1 into minus 1 plus 10C2 into minus 2 plus 10C3 into 8 plus 10C4 into 6. Solve this value and get the answer. I hope the idea it is clear. This is exactly why you should listen to a person who has authored so many books. The way I solve a quant problem is very different from the way generally many of the people will solve it. If you tell these logic to many of the teachers also, probably they also do not know how Sn can be determined other than doing summation Tn. I hope you enjoyed these beautiful logic. Now see here, another way. Another concept. Listen carefully to this concept. Concept is, take these example 10, 23, 60, 169, 169 and 494. This is a very beautiful series. These are nothing but 13, here 37, here 109 and here 325. These are nothing but 24, here it is 72 and here it is 216. The difference between the terms is forming a GP series. Please write down. If the difference between the terms, forms a GP series, if the difference between the terms forms a GP series, what is the idea? Tn is nothing but A into R power n, A into R power n plus phi of n. What is phi of n? Phi of n, it will be constant. Phi of n, it will be constant. If the difference between the terms is forming a GP series in one step, this is nothing but a linear. If it is forming a GP series in two steps, it is a quadratic. If the difference between the terms is forming a GP series after 3 steps. Tn is nothing but A into R power n plus phi of n. Phi of n is defined as a constant if the difference between the terms is constant in one step, linear if it is in 2 steps, quadratic if it is in 3 steps. Here it is 1 step and it is 2 step. So these are nothing but 2 steps. It will be A into R power n plus Bn plus C. Please make a note of it. Tn equivalent to A into R power n plus Bn plus C. Now we will go one by one. 10, 23, 60, 169, 494. This series is 13. Here 37. Here 109. Here 325. These are nothing but 24. Next is 72. Next is 260. R is nothing but the ratio, which is 3. So Tn is nothing but A into R power n plus Bn plus C. Difference is constant in 2 steps, right? First step, second step. So Bn plus C. If I find the values of capital A, capital B and capital C, I will get the answer. N is 1. So it is A into 3 power 1 plus B into 1 plus C. N is nothing but 1. Value comes out to be 10. N is 2. It is nothing but A into 3 square plus B into 2 plus C. Second term is nothing but 23. N is 3, which is nothing but A into 3 cube plus B into 3 plus C, which is nothing but 60. 9A minus 3A, which is nothing but 6A plus B. 23 minus 13. 23 minus 10, 13. 27 minus 9A, 18A plus B. 60 minus 23, 37. These difference is nothing but 12A. These difference is nothing but 24. So 12A, it is nothing but 24. A is nothing but 2. If A is 2, 6A plus B, it is nothing but 13. If 6A plus B, if it is 13, B is nothing but 1. A is 2, B is 1. 6A plus 1, 7. 7, C is nothing but 3. C is nothing but 3. So what will be the ratio? Ratio is nothing but A into R power N plus Bn plus C. 2 into 3 power N plus N plus 3. If I put N value 1, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 4, 10. If I put N value 2, 18 plus 5, 23. If I put N value 3, 54 plus 6, 60. I hope right now it is clear, right? So 10th term is nothing but I will use a different ink. Once you know the notation, then rest all is just nothing but calculation. So these nothing but 2 into 3 power 10. 10 plus 3, it is nothing but 13. This is the value of T10. This is the value of T10. I hope the idea it is clear.